wait to try this one out. Clear mascara. You will be able to see I have little. Hello beautiful people, hi and welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is going to be about Nykaa haul. There are few products that I have already purchased before and I use regularly, and there are few products that I have recently purchased. Ta-da! I have not opened it yet. So first I'm going to talk about the products that I have regularly used, and then I'll open the box that I have recently bought, and those are the products that I have never purchased or never used or tried, but I have heard good reviews about them. I won't be talking about any of the products in detail. I'm just going to show you which products I have bought and which products I like from Nykaa. So the first one I want to talk about is Sugar's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick, and I absolutely am in love with this product because I wear this most of the times. This particular shade is Divine Paraline. It is affordable. You get it in discount for $3.99 sometimes, and its MRP is of $4.99. I love it. And usually when I apply liquid lipsticks, they dry my lips, but after using Sugar's Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick, I have fallen in love with it. So the next three products that I'm going to show to you guys are from Lotus, and I usually use this product on daily basis in my night routine. So I'm going to quickly give a review on it. So the first one is Lotus Herbal White Glow. This is a moisturizing cream and a night cream. So it's amazing. It's of 425 rupees. So the next one is also Lotus Professional Brightening and Whitening Serum. This one would cost 595 rupees. So this is also amazing, guys. You should try it out. It's good for daily routines. The next one is Lotus Professional Clarifying Pimple and Acne Cream. I had a lot of breakouts, so I thought that I should try this out, and it really helped me. It's a Phyto RX cream and the MRP is 395 rupees. It comes in a small tube, but it did last for a very long time. So it really helped me with my acne. So I would recommend this. So guys, I'm so excited to open this box. Whenever I get anything from Nykaa, I just can't wait to open it. But just for the video, I waited and now I'm ready to open it. Ta-da! I am so excited to open this all. So the first one, I have actually bought two products from Mamaearth. The first one is Bye Bye Dark Circle. Mamaearth's Bye Bye Dark Circle cream is for 399 rupees. So I have bought this one actually for Amy. I don't have that many dark circles, but Amy was struggling with the dark circles and she was asking me, dude, what should I do and all. So her birthday is coming up, so I thought I'll buy it for her. I read the reviews about Mamaearth's Bye Bye Dark Circles cream, and it was really good, so I thought we should try it out. I'll tell Amy to use it and review it. Let's see what we have next. Mamaearth's Charcoal Face Scrub. I have heard a lot about Mamaearth products and I was very curious to try this one out. I have already tried their hair mask. It's amazing and I thought that I should try this one out. Also, Mamaearth products are paraben and silicone free and they are cruelty free, so I'm sure that this charcoal face scrub is also going to be amazing. So this Mamaearth charcoal face scrub is of 350 rupees, 349 to be precise. So I got 25% discount because I bought two products from Mamaearth. So Nykaa has many discounts a lot of times. So what do we have next? Oh, I have got this free. So I bought two products from Mamaearth. I got 25% off, and along with it I got this oil free face moisturizer free, and which is actually for acne prone skin. This one is for 99 rupees, but I have got it for free. Lovely. Who doesn't like free products, right? So what's next? This is a Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. So Wet n Wild's Natural Finish Setting Spray. So there are two. One is matte and one is natural finish. So I bought the natural one. This gives a natural look to your face after you apply makeup. Why Wet n Wild? I've heard a lot about Wet n Wild products. They are very affordable. Usually the setting sprays are very expensive, but I found the Wet n Wild setting spray a little cheaper than the other ones. This is for $5.99 and I can't wait to try it because I've heard a lot about this and the reviews were amazing. So I can't wait to try this one out. I think the last product is left. Oh my god, so much really getting the urge to play with this bubble wraps, but I won't. Last one, my friends. Next product is Wet n Wild's Clear Mascara. So this clear mascara can be used for your eyelashes and also for your brows. So I wanted to try it out. This is for 299 rupees. So if you will be able to see, my eyebrow also has some wavy hair and sometimes it just looks very messy. So I thought that I should try out the clear mascara, which is also used for the brows, and I think it will really help my brows look neat. So I can't wait to use this one as well. So that's it for today, guys. I have not given a detailed review about any of the products, but if you would like me to review any of the product in detail, then please comment down below. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it's helpful to you guys, and if you all want to buy any of the products, I will mention the link down below. I hope you liked and enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and please share it with your friends, family and everyone else, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. You will be watching me on my next video, so adios till then.